Welcome to Kotlin Bootcamp for Programming. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can download the IntelliJ IDE to run your Kotlin programs. So first of all, you have to search for IntelliJ IDEA download Windows for Windows, like this. You can search, and this is the first link. So for this you have to go this community version. So this ultimate version is for web and enterprise development, and for us for Java virtual machine and Android development. So this one is good, it is free and open source. If you click this download button, so it will automatically download for you. So here the download is started. So after downloads finished, you have to go the link. After download is finished, you have to go and open the file. So I already downloaded this here. So let's open the file. Here is IntelliJ. So let's run the program. So let's see, it takes a few seconds to run the program. You have to be patient. So yes, and next, and where do you want to install the IntelliJ? I want to install this to my D drive. So I want to create Android. So in this here, I want a new folder, I want to install that. So okay, and next, and create desktop shortcut for the 64-bit launcher, and update the context menu, add open folder as a project. So create associations with Java and KTX. So I need these ones. So download and install 32-bit JetBrains runtime. I don't need that. So again, next. So JetBrains is the company. So let's install the by default. So it takes a few seconds to download and all the resources and execute the files for you. So after this process finish, so come back and let's see. So now the IntelliJ IDE community edition setup is ready. So run IntelliJ in community edition. So after this it will run for us. So config or installation for the do not import setting. If you already had the IntelliJ IDEA in your laptops, you can import the setting from your last IntelliJ IDEA. If you don't have, so click this option, do not import setting. So because this is my first time, so right now we can select the dark theme or the light theme. But for this tutorial I want to select the light theme, even though I like the dark theme, but for tutorial purposes let's select for white theme because it is more visible for videos. Now select default, and we can use any plugins. We can install these plugins. So right now we don't need to install these plugins, just I want to skip, and let's run the first program. So right now IntelliJ is open and it is installed. And click on the new projects if you want to create first project. So I want to select the Kotlin, and let's go and do next. So name hello Kotlin, like this. This is the project name. You can type it anything you want. So the project is running for us, so just wait. So this is showing for the first time. It is for some tips for us for more information. If you don't want to see it, just mark this option, and next step you can close this also. So the next time if you open this IntelliJ IDE, so you will not see that option again. So here is my project. I don't have any folder right now in the source. This is the hello kotlin.ime options. In the source I can create new Java class or Kotlin class. So I wanna select the Kotlin file or class. So I wanna create the file, not the class. I wanna type as the first one, first, enter, and that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.